Hey guys, this is Ujjwal Kumar Sen and you're watching Ujjwal Kumar Sen YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you scope of civil engineering in India. There are few things we'll discuss in this video, like how to get admission, right? What are entrance examination you should prepare if you are in 10th class or maybe 9th class, maybe 11th class, maybe in 12th class. As well as we'll discuss about top colleges in India. And of course, we'll discuss about salary, government jobs, private jobs, top best government jobs for civil engineers. And next, what is that? M.Tech as well as MBA for further future growth. We'll talk in details about all these things about this branch. First, how to get admission. In order to get admission, my dear, in best college, then you have to crack IITG Advance. You have to crack that examination. After cracking that examination, you will have an opportunity to get admission in IITs if you crack IIT Advance with very good marks. If you crack IIT G Mains, that is G Mains, you can get an opportunity to get admission in in NITs. If you get good rank, you can get admission in NITs also. So these are the best way to get admission in India in best colleges in India. But other than this competitive examination, there are other competitive examination. Those are private universities as well as for state government or state sponsored entrance examination. So you can write to the examination, but this is the best one. That is what IITG, that is G exam, mains as well as advance. Now come back to the point. That is what best colleges in India. So there are a lot of colleges, around 3,500 colleges in India. But if you're talking about best colleges, then IITs are there, top IITs like IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, IIT Guwahati, all these, IISc Bangalore, all these are the best engineering colleges in India. If you're talking about NITs, then IIT Surathkal is there, IIT Tirchi is there, and these two are really good. IIT, MNIT Allahabad is there, and NIT Raulkala is there. So these are really good colleges in India when it comes to NITs, right? Now, guys, let's point what duration. In general, the course duration of civil engineering is 4 years. But if you'll get admission after BSc or after diploma, the duration of the course will be 3 years because you will get admission directly in second year. But IITs and NITs do not allow to get admission in they're not allowed to get admission in second year directly. Other than IITs or NITs, you can get admission almost in any college in India in second year through LEAD, lateral entry program, right? Now let's talk about jobs. Yes, it is totally and totally depend on the college and your skill. If your college is quite good, the package would be much higher. If your college is very third tier or fourth tier, the package will be less. Generally, top companies prefer to get students from top colleges like IITs or top NITs. If you're talking about average salary of NIT, that at IITs, that is around 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs per annum. If you're talking about average salary of NITs, then it's around 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs per annum. There are many colleges. If you'll do BTech in civil engineering from those colleges like third tier, fourth tier colleges, it is possible that you are not going to get job through campus placement, or maybe it is also possible companies will not come to your campus. So before choosing college as well as branch, you always look at the college campus, their placement, their teachers, and when their college has been established, companies visiting, percentage of placement, and students teachers ratio as well as you need to see if you want to choose best college for you. Now let's come to the point. That is what, my dear, that is very very important. M.Tech. If you want to get job, if you can do M.Tech, my dear, then that is a entrance examination that you have to crack. That is what GATE. And there are several states also, they also conduct entrance examination for getting admission in the respective colleges. But if you get admission in IITs and IITs, then you have to crack GATE examination. That is normal, there is no doubt in that. Now let's talk about what, my dear, if you'll crack GATE, is it necessary only crack to GATE? No, my dear. If you'll crack GATE with very good marks, then only you'll get chance to get admission in IITs or NITs. Top marks means top possibility of getting admission in top college. As simple as that. But yes, generally if you'll get score more than 75 or 80 right now, the condition is there that yes, you are having chance to get admission in IITs, even you have chance to get job in PSUs. If you get maximum package, my dear, even you belong to very small college, very third year, second year college, then my dear, even then you can get good job through Gate. The maximum package as high as my dear 21 lakhs per annum in PSUs like ONGC Power Grid. From civil engineer, there are PSUs, you can get job in PSUs too. Whenever it comes to SSCJ, then maximum vacancies you are going to get in civil engineering only. So if you do civil engineering, the probability of maximum vacancies in your branch, that is through SSC, that is in SSCJ maximum, right? As compared to other branches, electrical, mechanical, right? Now let's come to the point. What is, my dear? If you look at admission in engineering college without entrance, then how you should call it, how you should choose the college. There are a few rules, my dear. You need to follow those rules to choose best college. First, when that college has been established. Second, what about teachers? Those will teach you. Third, labs. Fourth, students are studying their feedback. Not first year, not from your second year. You have to ask feedback to third year and fourth year students. And always look at how many students got job from your branch, not from other branches. How many companies visited in the particular year to your college, and how many students are studying in that branch in particular year. In this way, you'll find out how much percentage of students are getting job through campus placement. Because to get job after engineering through campus placement, it is the easiest way to get job, even to get good package. If you'll try to get job outside campus, that will become quite difficult for you according to current situation, and maybe the situation will be same or maybe other tougher after 3 4 5 years, because it is becoming more competitive year by year. What I am seeing from last 9 years, I'm sharing with you. So you need to focus on this thing also, so that you will have bright future. All right. So whenever we're talking about civil engineering branch, it's not a bad branch, it's a good branch. Because India is a growing country, it's a developing country, so we need infrastructure. So who is going to build infrastructure? Civil engineers. So definitely requirement is there, but you have to study from good college, so that you can fulfill the need of the company, and so that you can have knowledge to help companies. If you can help companies, company can give you a job. Because always company look at the student before hiring, whether this person is capable of delivering for what that person is hiring. So you have to look at that also. Now guys, let's come to the point, that is what MBA. Well, MBA is also another good option, my dear, for all engineers. Yes, you can do MBA. And for doing MBA, my dear, you have to crack CAT or MET or JET. So there are top colleges in India, NITs, it's IITs, IIMs, and few NITs also. If you don't get a good package, around 20 lakhs per annum after completing MBA, then IIM Ahmedabad is the best one. After completing MBA from IITs, package will be around 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. After completing from NITs, the top like NIT Tripoli, package will be around 6 lakhs per annum. So package always vary from year to year, and it is also depend on market situation. So yeah, you also need to look at on these things. Now let's talk about business, because there are many students ask me, sir, tell us about the business perspective. Yes, you can start your own business if you belong to civil engineering field, because there are a lot of firms, my dear, those are running their architecture firm and their interior designing firm. Right, I am buying a flat, right, which is not full furnished. So I need an interior designer who can design my flat, like which will look like premium, right, premium flat. So for such kind of services, you can start your company. And this is not new in India. There are a lot of companies working in India. So the best way to start your company is that, is there any company who is working in your idea or maybe similar to your idea? If yes, then my dear, try to find a company to work in that company, so that you will get idea of running a company. You will be more disciplined, and you'll also earn some money, so that you can invest your money further. This is the best way, my dear, to start your own business, because I have also started my business in that way. I have taught in college, university, coaching, then I come to online education and then start my own institutes. So my dear, you can follow this method to start your own business. So I hope you have learned something from this video. I'm pretty sure regarding that because I try to put my 9 years of experience, whatever knowledge I got in this 9 years I have shared in very short period of time, so that you can decide whether this branch is for you, so that you can choose best college. So if you're new to the channel, my dear, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, click on the like button, share with your friends. And if you want to join my live session, you can ask me question live, then you can follow me on Instagram. I usually come live on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye-bye.